Welcome to BayCoast Bank's mobile app. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to use card controls so you can easily set your PIN for your card. Let's dive in and make managing your card simple and secure. On your app home screen, the navigation bar is located at the bottom. It allows easy access to features and sections with a tap, like the card controls feature. To access card controls, tap the More icon, the three horizontal lines. The More screen offers a variety of options, including card controls, money management, and easy money transfers. Tap on Card Controls on the More screen to access the card control features. Under the Manage Card section, you will find the Set PIN option. Tap Set PIN. You will be prompted to provide a temporary security token, which will be sent to the phone number associated with your account. After receiving the token, enter it and tap Next. Once you have successfully verified your identity, you will be prompted to enter in a new 4-digit PIN. After entering your new PIN, tap Submit. You have successfully set your PIN using the BayCoast Bank Mobile App. That's it! Now you know how to take control of your card anytime, anywhere with the BayCoast Bank Mobile App. If you haven't already, download the app and start managing your card with confidence today. Thanks for watching!